Welcome to iemmaus Health and Wellness Hub. Everybody is looking for the perfect breakfast to kickstart their day. A cracking good start, eggs for breakfast. There's something incredibly satisfying about the sound of an egg cracking open, the yolk and white spilling into a bowl, ready to be transformed into a delicious meal. Eggs are a breakfast staple. Whether you prefer them sunny side up, scrambled, poached, or boiled, there's an egg dish for everyone. They are not just versatile but also incredibly nutritious. Simple, versatile, and packed with goodness, they set you up for the day. Imagine a chef expertly whisking eggs, adding a pinch of salt and pepper, and then cooking them to perfection. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. From scrambled to poached, the possibilities are endless. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses. They can be the star of the show or a supporting player in a more elaborate breakfast spread. They're crammed with protein, vitamins like D and B12, and minerals like choline, which is important for brain health. The bright yellow yolk is a treasure trove of nutrients, making eggs one of the most complete foods you can eat. But what about pairing eggs with other breakfast favorites like brown bread, soya milk, and tea? These combinations not only add variety, but also enhance the overall nutritional profile of your meal. Let's dive in and explore this breakfast combination. Imagine sitting down to a table filled with a perfectly cooked egg, a slice of toasted brown bread, a glass of soya milk, and a steaming cup of tea. It's a balanced, delicious way to start your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more health and wellness tips. The power of protein eggs in your morning. Eggs are protein champions. This means they keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning munchies. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, making eggs an excellent choice for people of all ages. Starting your day with enough protein can also help stabilize blood sugar levels, giving you sustained energy throughout the morning. Brown bread friend or foe. Brown bread often gets a bad rap, and it's true that it's lower in fiber compared to whole wheat options. However, brown bread can still be part of a balanced breakfast. Look for fortified versions that add back some of the lost nutrients during processing. Brown bread provides carbohydrates, which your body breaks down into energy. To make it healthier, toast it lightly, and top it with something nutritious like avocado or a poached egg. Section 4. Soya milk, a plant-based partner. Soya milk is a great dairy-free alternative, perfect if you're lactose intolerant or simply prefer plant-based options. It's naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice. Soya milk is also a good source of calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth, but opt for a brand that's fortified with calcium. Remember to shake the carton well before pouring, as the milk solids tend to settle at the bottom. Section 5. Tea time, a warm embrace for your breakfast. A cup of tea can be the perfect way to start your day. Black tea in particular contains antioxidants that may have protective effects against certain diseases. Tea is also hydrating, which is crucial, especially if you're having eggs and brown bread, which can be a bit dry. If caffeine isn't your cup of tea, pun intended, in the morning, opt for herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint, which can aid digestion. Section 6. Egg-cellent preparations, cooking for flavor and nutrition. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite part. Cooking the eggs. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways to suit any palate or dietary need. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a protein-packed snack, or a gourmet meal, eggs can do it all. Soft-boiled, scrambled, poached, the options are endless. Each method brings out a unique texture and flavor, making eggs a staple in many cuisines around the world. Let's dive into some of the most popular ways to cook eggs and how you can master them at home. For a healthy and delicious breakfast, try poaching your eggs. Poached eggs are not only elegant but also lower in calories compared to fried eggs. They pair wonderfully with whole grain toast, avocado, or even a fresh salad. Simply simmer water in a pan, crack in the eggs, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk. The key is to keep the water at a gentle simmer and to add a splash of vinegar to help the egg whites set quickly. This method ensures a perfectly poached egg every time. Scrambled eggs are another quick and easy option. They are perfect for busy mornings or when you need a simple yet satisfying meal. The secret to fluffy scrambled eggs lies in the technique and a few additional ingredients. Whisk the eggs with a splash of milk or water, season with salt and pepper, and cook over low heat, stirring constantly. This slow cooking process helps to create soft, creamy curds. You can also add cheese, herbs, or vegetables to enhance the flavor and nutritional value. If you're short on time, boiled eggs are the way to go. They are incredibly convenient and can be made in advance, making them perfect for meal prep. Boiled eggs can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads, or used in sandwiches. Boil for 6 to 8 minutes for a soft yolk or 10 to 12 minutes for hard-boiled. Once cooked, transfer the eggs to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make peeling easier. With these tips, you'll have perfectly cooked eggs every time, ready to be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Section 7. Building a balanced breakfast tips and tricks. Remember, breakfast is all about balance. It's the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for your energy levels and mood. A well-balanced breakfast can help you stay focused and productive throughout the morning. Pair your eggs with whole grain toast, a side of fruit, or some veggies. Whole grains provide essential fiber and nutrients, while fruits and vegetables add vitamins and minerals that are crucial for your overall health. Add some healthy fats like avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats which are good for your heart and can help keep you feeling full longer. Or a sprinkle of nuts to your toast for extra flavor and nutrients. Nuts are a great source of protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. Experimenting with different flavors and textures can make your breakfast more enjoyable and satisfying. Salsa, herbs, spices, and even a dollop of yogurt can add a burst of flavor to your plate. These additions not only enhance the taste but also provide additional nutrients and health benefits. Yogurt, for instance, is a great source of probiotics which are beneficial for your gut health. Adding a dollop of yogurt to your breakfast can help improve digestion and boost your immune system. Most importantly, listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Mindful eating can help you better understand your hunger and fullness cues, leading to healthier eating habits. Choose foods that make you feel energized and satisfied. A balanced breakfast should leave you feeling ready to take on the day, not sluggish or hungry an hour later. So take the time to plan and prepare a nutritious breakfast that you enjoy. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us bring you more great content.